Life often seems like an unending pursuit filled with busyness, challenges, and constant change. Amidst this hustle and bustle, have you ever craved a moment of tranquility, a sanctuary within yourself? That is exactly where the art of meditation comes in, promising a realm of peace and profound understanding within your own mind. This blog post seeks to reveal the science behind this ancient practice, unveiling how it can transform your life. Meditation is more than just a spiritual endeavor. It's an interplay of complex processes underpinned by science. Think of meditation not as a mystical phenomenon, but as a method that instigates a cascade of measurable changes in our brains. But what transpires during these tranquil moments of mindfulness? How does our brain respond when we close our eyes, focus on our breath, and draw inward? Let's peel back the layers of this age-old practice to unveil its scientific framework. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of meditation, unraveling the mechanism behind its transformative potential. Let's delve into the intricate dance between meditation and our brain. Meditation sparks a fascinating chain reaction, guiding our brain into a transformative state known as neuroplasticity. This intriguing phenomenon is our brain's ability to reshuffle the deck, so to speak, forming fresh neural pathways and connections. Now, consider the landscape of the brain of someone who meditates long-term. Compared to non-meditators, they have an expanded volume of gray matter in zones linked to memory, empathy, self-perception, and stress regulation. It's as if meditation serves as a master architect, redesigning the blueprint of our minds. In our relentless modern world, stress has wedged its way into becoming an unwelcome yet prevalent presence in many of our lives. But there's good news. Meditation has been shown to counteract this unwarranted guest. Studies suggest that engaging in regular meditation can significantly reduce cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress responses. The results? Lower blood pressure, improved sleep, and a heightened sense of calm. Imagine that. Your daily dose of tranquility is just a meditation session away. With the potent duo of meditation and stress reduction, you can equip yourself to navigate life's storms with more resilience and serenity. So why not harness the power of your own mind to combat stress and enhance well-being? Ever find yourself lost in a whirlwind of thoughts, trapped in the past, or fretting about the future? Mindfulness meditation offers an escape from this mental maze. It anchors us in the here and now, illuminating the richness of the present moment. Rather than being swept away by thoughts or emotions, you learn to observe them from a distance, gaining clarity without judgment. It's about savoring each moment, each breath, each sensation, becoming a silent witness to your own existence. This conscious awareness fosters a deep connection with your inner self, a nurturing bond that elevates your understanding of who you truly are. Mindfulness. It's more than a practice, it's a transformative journey to self-discovery. Meditation's influence extends into the realm of creativity too. It acts as a mental declutterer, quelling the noise of self-centered thoughts and distractions. This inner quietude paves the way for us to access the more intuitive and inventive corners of our minds. It's as if meditation hands us a key, unlocking a treasure chest brimming with creativity. You may discover fresh perspectives, innovative solutions, or imaginative ideas that were previously obscured by the mental chatter. Just as a calm pond reflects the beauty of the surrounding landscape, a tranquil mind mirrors the inherent creativity within us. Get ready to tap into your creative reservoir with the transformative power of meditation. Establishing a meditation practice, steps to transform your life. Embarking on your meditation journey doesn't have to be overwhelming. Starting small can lead to big changes. Dedicate a few minutes each day to quiet reflection, gradually extending this time as your comfort in the practice grows. Set the stage for tranquility by creating a serene, distraction-free environment. Find a position that allows you to relax while remaining alert. Remember, meditation isn't about perfection. It's about patience, practice, and progress. So, ready to take the first step towards a more balanced and meaningful life? Your transformation starts here in the silence and stillness of meditation. Conclusion: the transformative power of meditation. As we've journeyed through the scientific intricacies and transformative potential of meditation, one thing is clear: this age-old practice holds the power to positively alter our lives. Whether it's promoting brain health, igniting creativity, easing stress, or deepening self-awareness, meditation's benefits are both extensive and profound. This serene yet powerful practice is more than just a path to peace. It's a key to unlock a more balanced and meaningful existence. Let the tranquility of meditation guide you on your journey towards a deeper understanding of your mind and yourself. Step into this world of inner calm because your transformation begins in the stillness.